how to get a comment block in Minecraft. This is really simple to do, but you just need to know how. So let's dive right into the video. First, you need to start Minecraft. Pretty straightforward. Next, create a new world by going to single player and clicking on create new world. This part is important. Make sure to turn on allow comments by setting it to on. Once you've done that, just click on create new world. Note that you are in your Minecraft world. Open the chat by pressing the slash or T key. Then type the command /give at a Minecraft comment block. You can simply start typing comment block and press the tab key to autocomplete the comment. After that, press enter. Now you have a comment block, but you can't place it in survival mode. To place the comment block, switch to creative mode by typing the command /game mode creative. In creative mode, you can place the comment block. If you want to switch back in survival mode, just type /game mode survival. If you are looking for a good Minecraft server, check out the link in the description for an affordable but quality server. And here we go. Now you know how to get a comment block in Minecraft. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.